Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again. Today, I will show you how to change the bolt diameter from inches to millimeters in the isometric drawing of a mixed metric project and from millimeters to inches in the isometric drawing of metric projects in Plant 3D. Let's start. Start by opening the project setup. Go to Isometric DWG settings and then to Title Block and Display. Choose the desired ISO style from the drop-down menu. Click the Open ISO Style Editor button located in the top right corner. In the isoconfig.xml, find Units and then Styles. Right-click on Style Metric Size and select Copy. Next, right-click on Styles and choose Paste. Keep all values the same, but add M as the prefix and set the scale value to 25.4 in the metric bolt size style. Then, in the bolt diameter style, change the imperial row value to metric bolt size. Save the file and close the ISO style editor. Click OK to save and exit the project setup. Additionally, you need to change the bolt size value from fractional to decimal in the catalog editor. Switch to the Pipe Specs node and open the required spec in the spec editor. Go to the Catalog Editor tab, Filter, and select the bolt set used in the specs. Navigate to the Sizes tab, select each size, and convert the bolt size value from fractional to decimal. For example, 5/8 inch to 0.625. Repeat this for all sizes. Save the spec. Open the piping model drawing file. Run the plant spec update check command in the piping model drawing. When prompted, select Update Pipe Specs Recommended. Extract the isometric, and you will see the bolt diameters have been updated to metric sizes. To change bolt diameter from millimeters to inches in the isometric drawing of metric projects. First, open the project setup. Go to Isometric DWG settings, then to Title Block and Display. Choose the desired ISO style from the drop-down menu. Click the Open ISO Style Editor button located in the top right corner. In the isoconfig.xml file, find Units and then Bolt Diameter Style. Change the metric row value to imperial size. Save the file and close the ISO Style Editor. Click OK to save and exit the project setup. Next, open your project folder in the File Explorer. Go to the isometric folder of your project. Find the bolt size mappings.xml file and open it in Microsoft XML Notepad. Expand the bolt size mappings node. For each bolt size mapping, copy the value from the imperial row and paste it into the metric row. After finishing, save and close the bolt size mappings.xml file. Finally, extract the isometric, and you will see the bolt diameters change to imperial sizes. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.